Trying to sign up as a Gofo driver but getting stuck at the first step? Here's exactly what you need to know before you even begin. First, open any browser on your phone or computer and search for Gofo. Tap on the official website from the results to get started. Once the page loads, look for the Login option. Even though it says Login, you'll also find a Register option there. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, here's the important part. You'll need a valid U.S. phone number to create an account. Enter your number carefully because a verification code will be sent to that phone. Make sure your phone is nearby so you can complete the step without delays. Next, create a strong password and confirm it. After that, you'll see the terms and conditions. It's always a good idea to at least skim through them before tapping Agree. Once you accept, hit the Register button. After submitting, the platform will guide you through a few more steps. This usually includes entering the verification code sent to your phone and uploading identification documents like your driver's license. Depending on the requirements, you may also need to provide additional details to complete your profile. Just follow the on-screen instructions step by step, and once everything is approved, your registration will be complete and you'll be ready to start as a driver. If this guide helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you run into any issues or want more step-by-step tutorials like this.